all-new 2025 Maruti Suzuki auto-rickshaw CNG, a vehicle designed to redefine the world of affordable, eco-friendly transportation. Whether you're an operator or a commuter, this three-wheeler promises to make a big difference on Indian roads. Let's dive into the details. Design and build. Maruti Suzuki has given its 2025 auto-rickshaw a fresh look while maintaining its practicality. The sleek body panels, improved aerodynamics, and sturdy build ensure durability for daily use. The spacious cabin offers comfort for both the driver and passengers, with enhanced legroom and ergonomics. Performance and engine. At its heart is a refined CNG-powered engine that ensures exceptional fuel efficiency and lower emissions. The 2025 model boasts improved mileage, offering around 40 km per kilogram of CNG, making it one of the most economical options in its class. The engine delivers smooth power delivery, ideal for city traffic, while maintaining reliability for long operating hours. Eco-friendliness. Keeping up with environmental standards, the auto-rickshaw meets BSVI emission norms, making it an eco-conscious choice. With rising fuel costs and a growing need for sustainable transport, this CNG auto-rickshaw is perfect for operators looking to reduce operational costs while contributing to cleaner air. Features and comfort. The 2025 model comes with upgrades like a digital instrument cluster, improved suspension, and better noise insulation. Safety is enhanced with features such as anti-roll protection and improved braking systems. For passengers, the ride is smoother, quieter, and more comfortable than ever. Pricing and availability. Maruti Suzuki has priced the 2025 auto-rickshaw competitively, making it an affordable investment for drivers and fleet operators. With widespread availability across India and a robust service network, it's a reliable choice for those in the transport business. Conclusion. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki auto-rickshaw CNG is a game-changer in its segment, offering fuel efficiency, reliability, and environmental benefits in one package. If you're in the market for an eco-friendly and budget-friendly three-wheeler, this is definitely worth considering.